Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Vindex Engineering. In this episode, it was such a nice day outside, I decided I was going to set up the camera and just do some work on the Camaro. So I decided to go through and clean up the wire harness a little bit, get rid of some of the excess wires that are not needed anymore, clean up some of the wire loom a little bit there. And then I also decided it was going to be time to take out the original factory seats and to install my new used racing seats. So we're going to be working on that throughout the day and doing a little bit of fabrication on getting some brackets set up so that the seats will bolt into the car. So I hope you enjoy this episode. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and enjoy the video. This entire time that I'm back there, I am working on the brackets that will hold the seat into the car, going through and getting the measurements from the seats to make sure that the brackets will line up. Turns out that they weren't originally just going to bolt right in, that I had to come up with some brackets that would allow it to bolt to the new seats to the original mounting location on the floorboard. And here you can see I got the seat installed in the car and giving it just a quick little test run here. Everything seems to be going pretty good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me working out in the garage with a time lapse. Feel free to like and subscribe.